For Youth by Youth is a violence prevention program out of the city of East Palo Alto. The design of the program is to bring no excuses back to a neighborhood that's been riddled by crime, drugs, and just broken families. Rebuilding our community is the most important aspect of For Youth by Youth. The way we rebuild our community is we take indigenous leaders or individuals from our community to rebuild it. It's the same concept of the Nehemiah story. For Youth by Youth has 5 services. The prevention piece is where we go into each school, a Ravenswood City School District or any school, and what we do is offer them a methodology to help change the thinking process of our students. Our intervention piece is where we go into the juvenile halls and we meet the client head on, directly. So when they come out into our reentry program, they have a face that they can connect to, and then it'll be easier for them to get into the reentry program. And the reentry service part of it is where we meet people in the juvenile hall, and now we connect them to services in the city of East Palo Alto. Another service of ours is the street team. If there's violence or any type of problem or beef in our community, our whole job as a street team is try to squash that beef. The whole purpose of the street team is for us to bring us together and to eliminate the death in our community.
What we've found is that our kids are not bad kids, and I think everybody knows that, but what we know is that they are wounded. And what we do is we take a methodology that allows us to be able to decode some of the things that they think about and the way they think, and allow them to adopt new rules for living and look at risk factors that might create a violent or unproductive lifestyle, and combine that with the person of Jesus and exposure. And we really feel like there is a place here that kids are beginning to live in a new community and practice these new pathways to a nonviolent and a healthy future.
After I started coming to Young Life, and Uncle Doug started telling us more about life and how you need to be more responsible and all that other good stuff. And so that helped me change my ways in school and my attitude.
I just met a lot of great adults that were really interested in my life, and they really wanted to see me succeed. And I really didn't have mentors, people I can go to talk to about my problems, and this place gave me a great place to come and just pour out all my problems and everybody will listen.
We have a great marriage in East Palo Alto Young Life and Phi Bi coming together to create a more holistic avenue for our kids and for our community. There's actually a lot of ways that you could be a part of what God's doing in For Youth by Youth and the community of East Palo Alto. And the first is just praying, and it's praying for peace in our community. It's praying that youth and the community members gain access to what God has promised them, and that is a hope and a future without harm. The other thing is financial. Each year we have to raise a budget to provide the services, and we would welcome that. And finally, we could use you. We have ways that you could come cook on Wednesday night, you could mentor somebody, tutor, you could drive vans. There's just a lot of different avenues that you could be a part of For Youth by Youth.